Hi guys, I'm gonna get turned around to get in front of you.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn around.
We really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Yeah, we're right on the water incoming tide. Taking out the front, I'm gonna put on a bridle and I'm gonna pull you out. Watch out guys, I'm throwing. Go ahead and switch sides. Let me know when a wave comes. Lo siento. Woo!
Oh, yeah. Bob, that's hot. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, man. Hey, there was no way. Thank you.
You're welcome, man.
Yeah. We've been trying to help him, but he just rides too low in the front.
Yeah, for sure.
We got everybody out here. Trying to get a little breakthrough here, but...
In drive, media gasolina. Yeah, what you call in the water, bro. Poor truck. She'll get a good washing, don't we worry about it.